Here's a pair of the TOZO T10 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset. You want to do a factory reset, or if maybe one of the buds is not working, or maybe it keeps disconnecting here and there, or maybe it's out of sync, or you can't get it into pairing mode, or you have issues connecting, and so on. So to do a factory reset on these, the first thing is I'm actually connected. I was paired to this phone here, Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So if I want to connect back to the same phone after I do the factory reset, I need to first go into my settings on this phone, go to connections, Bluetooth, and yeah, the TOZO T10 you can see is paired to this device here. So let me go ahead and delete it off of here. Okay, so let me click the settings icon right there, and I'm going to unpair. All right, basically delete it off the pairing list. If it's on an iPhone, it would be forget this device. Okay, anyway, unpair this device. Now it's completely off of my paired Bluetooth list. Now let's factory reset these, okay? So go ahead and take the buds out of the case. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn these off, okay? So what you wanna do is press and hold on top of here. Ready, set, go. Press and hold both of them and just wait until both of them turn red. Still holding both. Oh, see they're both red. Now go ahead and let go. Now wait about 10 seconds, okay? They're turning off, make sure they're all the way off, okay? So 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're gonna press and hold. This time we're gonna keep it holding until one of these starts blinking blue, red, which indicates it's in pairing mode, okay? So ready, set, go. Press and hold. Now just keep holding. Keep holding. I see blue lights there. Keep holding. Wait, okay, so one of them is blinking, blue, red, blue, red. Now it's in pairing mode, the factory reset is done. So now if I wanted to connect back to the same phone, I can just go back here, scan, and now it should show up under here, under available devices, because it's in pairing mode. TOZO T10, now I can connect back here. I tap on pair, and now I'm connected and ready to go. Pretty simple.